the reggae music. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Where you see, we don't see anything for you. You close your eyes. Many people see the black nothings. And many people they working about the black. I don't know anything for you. You stay for the darkness. You suffer for your life. Why you close your eyes, you don't see anything. I want to say anything to you about a secret for you. I wanna say anything to you about a secret for you. You have the karma into your life. Everybody have the angel to control you. You don't believe the things. You don't follow your angel. Every time you not play to the goal, now why you suffer. Every time you leave the goal, now why you crying. Oh, I want to say this secret to you. If you wake up in the morning, try to worship the God. You stay for the darkness. Your enemies to keep you for the darkness. You don't know. You working about the 24 hours. You don't have anything for you. You waking up at 24 hours. You don't have anything. You living the God of your life. Now I you suffering. Everybody around you. You living for your angel. Your angel to run away. You don't see anything for your life. Try to come the light.